Hey guys, my delicious bird is out. Can't see, she is right there. Sit down, eating her food outside of her cage. To prove that she's actually outside of her cage, I'll show you this. Bam. If you guys don't know who Cuckoo is, she is a 7 to 8 years old. We don't know exactly, but she's around 7 to 8 years old. And she was abused when she was younger for 7 years of her life. And she's been amazing ever since. She's made an amazing recovery. And guys, please be nice to Cuckoo. Leave a like for her rest of her life to be nice and be happy and be good. Emma, how do you think of Cuckoo coming out and doing silly stuff?
She's a silly bird.
How do you think of it?
She's a silly bird. She just doesn't like the big things. She likes the little things. You could fill this, open this.
I don't know how to. I actually don't know how to. Sorry. Hey. Hi, Carl. Hi. So, Emma, do you like the Cuckoo bird? Do you like Cuckoo bird? Do you love Cuckoo?
I don't love her.
She's just adorable.
Here you go.
Just adorable. And just an adorable little bird.
Did you get a picture of it?
Yeah. She came out like right here.
Yep, she's been investigating it for a while.
It was right here. She was just sitting down and eating it.
Yep.
And eating it.
I saw her investigating it several times. Anything we do to encourage her to come out.
Yep. You guys, give it up for Cuckoo. She's an amazing bird. And I hope you guys, and this will be the end of the video. Nah, I wasn't that hungry. Guys, I hope you like this video for Cuckoo's sake. And subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to see more. You guys, these videos don't happen often. By the way, one more thing before I go. Today she's went up here many times. Just today. She's come up there like every once a day. Around like every day. Sometimes once every couple weeks. But today she's came out so many times up here. This is the first day she's actually walked up here. She used to just fly around this entire room. You have to catch her and put her up there, or put her over there. And the first time we put her back in her cage. And the second time. But every single time she comes out more and more and more. And eventually, I hope she'll be able to trust us so much that she'll be able to sit on our fingers. So guys, to end this video, I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.